This is the Frugal Gardener, and it's time to play What's in the Box. One of my favorite cooking shows is Gordon Ramsay's Master Chef, and he has his feature which is called the Mystery Box. Well, now it's time for my mystery box. People occasionally say they don't have the means to garden, and one of the complaints is they don't have a pot. So I took this box, I lined it, which is the reason why it's not completely filled. I lined it because I did not want my soil exposed to these dyes that are on the outside. So basically this is the rim, the inner rim of this is non-treated, which means non-dyed cardboard. So I'm going to fill this the rest of the way, and I'm going to grow something in it. The question to you is, what? So what do you think is in the box? This is the Frugal Gardener. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll be back with an update later. What's in the box, gang?